Okay, so I'm at one of my local hiking spots here, and I'm going to go down to a river section where I know animals stop for drinks. They can get down to easy, and I am going to try using photogrammetry on my phone here to 3D scan animal tracks and see how well that comes out as an alternative to using hydrocow and pouring it and having to wait. Then I have them saved electronically, and also potentially I'm able to 3D print them. So we'll have a look at how that's going to work. This is the turn off down to the river. Start looking for tracks. There's somebody's boot print. I want deer or raccoon or something. Coyote. I found nothing, which is really odd because I know there's tons of deer around here. So I guess I'll go further upriver and find another spot that goes down to the shore and check the ground out around that. I hear ducks over in the pond, so I'm going to go over there and have a look. Me likey the ducks. Pathway's pretty hard packed, but I'm stopping and looking at the wetter parts of the path wherever I see a game trail going off towards the river that way. And I know another spot where I can get down to the riverbank. And back towards the river. Seems to be a pretty prominent game trail. I'm just going to go on it over to the river and see what kind of access I have. Oh, I'm too old to be bending this low. My backpack's caught on the tree. Ah, to have 20 years back again. Looks like a cliff drop off. I don't think I'm getting down here. This one's interesting. Well-worn path. Still above the river, but a lot closer. Pretty hard packed here. I don't think there's going to be any tracks. Oh, there's a little path that goes down here. Another path that runs along. Same on that side. Nice little drinking access for animals. There's a gravel bar further up there just around the bend. That's the one I'm aiming for. This one seems to slope down to the river. I'll check it out as well. Good. Lots of dirt here. I see boot tracks. Ah, here we go. I found some deer. Not very good though. Look further down here. This looks promising. Nothing really virtually castable there. Some more deer. Looks like it's been sliding though. Yeah, definitely deer down here. That looks like a big cat print. Oh, maybe dog. Looks like there's nails there. So dog, coyote, wolf maybe. Oh, this little sand ledge here goes way back. Well, there's a good deer one. I'm gonna try scanning that one. Well, I'm not getting down this way. Oh, there's a hell of a cliff over there. Another interesting entry point. crabgrass here. Oh, cool, if I can get down there. I wonder if this is related to bamboo. If anybody knows, let me know. Going slow. There we are. Let's see what we can find. I would like to have been here to see that fall. Too rocky here. We continue on. Need a more sandy area, I think. I'm going to try and get to that right there. That looks nice and sandy. Perfect. Big step. Okay. Let's see what we can find. That's a weird looking tree. Looks like ancient writing. Ancient wood boar writing. Okay, so here are the ones that I scanned. Here's the first one. So that's a deer print. That came out pretty good. Yeah, not bad. A little limited in the range. That's as far as I can go there. As far as up and down. But left and right seems pretty good. Look at the next one here. This is the big cat print I took. That one's not bad either. The range is pretty good. You know what? That I don't think that's a cat. I can see claw holes there that aren't so obvious from the top. So I think that's a canine. So we're looking at dog, coyote, maybe wolf. That one's not bad. I can try printing that one. And then this one. What the heck? Oh, it came out pretty good, but it came out upside down. That's weird. And it won't go down to the sides. Yeah, so that one didn't turn out so good. I don't think I'll be able to use that one for printing. And then this one is a canine track. There we go. See if I can zoom in a bit. Yeah, so we've got the foot, and you can definitely see the claw marks there. It's rather shallow. Not the best one, but you can get all the way around it. I'm going to try printing the other two good ones first, and then maybe I'll do this as a third one. Cool. So these are some diagrams of the editing process I did in Tinkercad 3D editing software. Basically, I took the whole print and got rid of all the stuff around it that I didn't want, just leaving the print in a small circle. And I made it small, as I mentioned earlier. And then I sliced it in Ultimaker Cura. And here is how it turned out. Not bad at all. Considering I did it at low resolution and smaller than it actually was, I didn't want to waste a whole lot of filament on an experiment. Next one, I'll print and make it a lot bigger, like actual size. And here's how this one turned out. Kind of hard to see with the light shining off of it there. That's a bit better. Each of the toes there with the claws and the main pad. This thing took 60 hours to print.